King Munada's Ride or Rider. The South African musician's latest Instagram post has sparked a heated debate. He's flaunting a luxury car that's rumored to be worth a whopping 7 million rand, and fans are wondering how's he affording this. The Limpopo-born star no stranger to showcasing his wealth. From lavishing mansions to a growing collection of high-end rides, King Munada's lifestyle's been raising eyebrows. Some fans are all about the celebration, praising his success and hard work. Others are left scratching their heads, questioning the source of his income. The speculation's been brewing. Is it music money or is there more to the story? Some are joking he must have won the lottery, while others are digging deeper, wondering if his tunes are really paying the bills. It's a conversation that's playing out on social media, where celebs' flashy lives often spark scrutiny. King Munada's keeping mum for now, but the chatter's not stopping. His fans are divided. Are they looking for a success story or a mystery waiting to be solved? Either way, the King's got everyone's attention. What's your take? Is Munada living large on his music, or is there more to the game?